welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So excuse the mess, the poorness. I'm actually recovering from COVID, but I've been dying to film this video for you, and it's finally going to happen today because I couldn't put it off any longer because I really want to put all this stuff away. So we're going to do a full unboxing of the Plouise Pro kit that I received for enrolling in the Plouise Pro course. So yeah, so if you want to see everything that I got, all the shades, and listen to a little bit about the course, then please stay tuned. This is the first time that I've actually put on makeup in what feels like for ages, like especially a full face as well. But yeah, so this actually arrived in 2 boxes. Because of all the bubble wrap and things like that, I just condensed it down to 1 box. So with the Plouise Pro course, I don't know if you know, if you follow Plouise on Instagram, then you probably will know because she's advertised it quite a lot. But the Plouise Pro course runs for 12 months and it's £500. And basically you get content each month. It's like pre-filmed content, and then you can either go on 4 Zoom classes or go to the actual academy 4 times to learn some looks, basically. And then yeah, you can choose to be accredited or not. You have to pay a little bit extra, blah blah blah. So with this course, it actually comes with quite a lot of things anyway, considering you're getting a lot from Paige and her team. But you get this kit which is worth over £1,500, but the course is £500. That's crazy, insane, but yeah, very, very generous. I think they chucked in an extra month of content for free as well. I think it's because they took ages sending out people's kits. It was meant to be out on the 1st of August, but we didn't end up getting it till like 3 weeks in or something like that. That's enough of me rambling. I'm just gonna dive straight in. There's quite a lot to get through. So yeah, well, the first thing that we got, which was actually a surprise, it wasn't anywhere that we were getting this, is one of the diaries. So this is the Get Up and Grind diary. I've actually got the other diary, the main one, which is like 40 odd quid, and I've probably wrote in about 3 pages. I actually did want to get this one because I feel like this one is a little bit more easier to manage than the other one, and the other one you got to take a lot of time to go through. But yes, just so much detail goes into these diaries, is a joke. So, and it's all like the actual paper as well. It's not like glossy paper or anything like that, which I prefer. Yeah, I need to take a minute to go through this, and I like the fact that it doesn't have any like specific dates, so because I will miss it. But yeah, that's basically a typical page, like that and like that. So yeah, it's quite a lot of information in there, and hopefully I can get my shit together by using one of these diaries. I might sell the other one, to be honest. I don't know, even though I wrote in it, but I don't know. And then the next thing we got was the brow balm. So this is what the packaging looks like. I've actually been using this quite a lot, and I don't know how I feel about it, if I'm honest, because I've used it today, to be fair, but I feel like my pink honey actually sticks my brows up a lot more than this one. Well, not that it sticks my brows up more, but they hold longer. I feel like this is too flexible, like it's not like glued to my face. But yeah, so I know quite a lot of people do like it, and that's what the packaging looks like. It's actually a really cute packaging. It also comes with a spoolie, really good quality spoolie actually, and yeah, inside it looks like Vaseline, and it feels like Vaseline. To be honest, I wonder if it is Vaseline just repackaged. I don't know, that would be interesting to think though. But yeah, it's a good product for short time, but then it won't hold my brows up for a long time, like all day and night. It will not do that, whereas my pink honey will. Got a package of paints. So a lot of these paints I have already got, so I wonder if anyone's got any paints, do they want to swap? I'm after the silver one, I'm after the red one. But yeah, so the paints that we got, so I got the sweet and sour one, which I actually haven't got, so I'm definitely going to keep this. This is the green one. And then I also got another Limelight, which I brought not that long ago and she re-released it, so I've actually already got Limelight. So this one could be up for swaps. I got another Glow Girl. I swear, whenever I get a Plouise package and they throw in a paint, I always get Glow Girl. This is probably my 4th Glow Girl. I definitely don't need it. I've already got one in the giveaway pile. I've already given one away, and I'm probably going to give this one away, or it's up for swaps if anyone wants to swap. So it's like the dark reddy pink one. And then I got Smoking Hot, which again I've already got. So again, this can be up for grabs. And Raver, which again I've already got. So the only one that I didn't have was the green one, which is quite sad to be honest. But I have ordered some more paints to be delivered. I've ordered Ibiza and Salty AF because they're the ones that I really need. And I keep seeing them being used on the pro course, and obviously I haven't got them. So I've ordered them. But yeah, I'm after any ones that I haven't got. So if anyone wants to swap, I'll chuck in an extra one for you. Let me know. And then we get a few lip products. So I'm pretty sure she's chucked in a Hologloss for free, which again I've got quite a few of these, but I swear this is a mini one. It wasn't that small before. Oh yeah, it's a mini. So we've got a mini Hologloss, which I have already got a full size one. I do really like this gloss, so I'm going to keep it as a backup. And then we get 4 of the lip bases, which I was really excited to try because I've only got one of these so far. And the shade we got, which I'm buzzing about, so this is Solo Nude. As you can see, it's a really beautiful nude. And then we've got Classy, which is like a pinky nude. And then we've got Unbutton, which I'm buzzing about because it's like a corally orange. Oh, it's beautiful. Perfect summer shade. Oh, love that. And also loving this shade as well. And it's called Relentless Rouge, so like a dark burgundy. So yeah, buzzing about those, especially that nude one. I've been dying to try. And then we've got all of the bases. So the typical Rumour eyeshadow base. So we've got all the shades from 0, including 2.5, which is one of the new ones, all the way up to 12. So yeah, so there's 11, 6. I've even got number 0, which is the white one, which I was buzzing about because I wanted to get the white one, because especially if I'm doing like pastel looks, then I think that will make them pop. So yeah, there's quite a few in there, but that's all of the shades of the eyeshadow base. And then we've got all 5 of the eyebrow pencils, which I absolutely love. If you watched one of my favourites videos a couple of videos back, you would have known that I put the P. Louise brow pencil in it, and I just run out and I used Mochaccino, which is number 3. And yeah, so I'm so glad to have this back again. When I done my friend's makeup not that long ago, I used this shade on her as well, and it looks beautiful. So I think a lot of blondes who like their eyebrows slightly darker, number 3 Mochaccino is perfect for you. Yeah, so got hazelnut latte, espresso, blonde blend, gingerbread latte, and then yeah, Mochaccino. So you get 5 of those. Absolutely love them. Let me just open one up for you. So this is what they look like. So you get a really tiny wincy nib on one end, and then a nice little spoolie on the other end. They're really, really small pencils. I definitely recommend them if you like small, fine pencil, because literally it's the best one that I've ever used. And then to go with the eyebrow pencils, you also get all the eyebrow gels. So again, we've got Mochaccino, we've got gingerbread latte, we've got espresso, hazelnut latte, and blonde blends. So yeah, you get 5 of those. And then what have we got in here? Oh, this is probably one of my favourite packages. And then we've got her full brush collection. So many brushes there, so let's go through. So we've got a cancelled collection and then the worldy collection. So just these brushes, literally some of them are so small and I'm just so excited to use them. So first of all, we've got brush 122, which look how small that is. A 124, 120, a 118, a 125 brush, a 126, a 119, a 7072 brush, 117, a 121 brush, 7071, a 198 brush, and then a 115 brush, a 681 brush, 638. These feel really, really nice, super soft quality. Got a 673 brush, 143, a 123. And then we've also got the Acid Rain brush set, which again I've already got and I absolutely love. So this is what it comes with. It comes with an angled brush, a flat-headed brush, and a small like liner brush. And this flat brush is perfect for cutting your crease because it goes so thin. Oh, amazing. And then next up we've got lots of bases, so lots of coloured bases this time, and also all the glitter bases. So we've got Keeping It Khaki, which again I've already got, but I actually really like this. I've got this on my eyes today just to smoke out my lash line. And then we've also got Pretty in Pink, which is a nice colour. Cute in Coral, which I'm absolutely buzzing about because this makes a really nice blush shade. OTT Orange, I'm pretty sure I've already got this one as well. Yummy Yellow, I've already got this one. Green with Envy. And then, yeah, 4 of the glitter bases, which I've already got 3 of. So we've got No Games, You're Glowing, the gold toned one, which is Extra AF, hooked up. So that's all those. And then you've got 10 pairs of lashes. So this is what the lash book looks like. And oh my god, these lashes are unreal. Hue the Curl are my favourite. I've already worn those out and they were amazing. So easy to apply, so flexible, and yeah, just feel like really good quality. But there's a lash here for everyone. Some of them look crazy long, like these Live Laugh Love and Flutter Me Fancy, but I feel like when you actually got them on the eye, they're not going to be too bad. They're going to remind me a little bit of the TL Mitchells, which is one of our favourite lash. So yeah, I'm excited to try all these out. And then exclusive to the Plouise Pro, which will be bringing out soon, so we've got blush and bronzer palettes. We did actually make these ourselves. Yeah, each of the pans came in a little single pocket, and then you had to just make your palette up yourself however you see fit. So this is what I did with mine. So this is what the outer edge looked like. Then opening it up, I actually labelled them all so it's easier. But look at those tones. I've got a bronzer there for everyone. I know I'm going to love the Sweet Honey and Sandy Beaches, so those two there on my day-to-day basis because I am quite pale. But yeah, I know that I'm so glad that I've got a bronzer palette because when I'm tanned or when I do eventually do clients, obviously this will help so much. And then we've got the same Pro blush palette. So just look at those shades. How gorgeous are they? I love the look of Keeping It Rosy, and obviously the peachy ones. Even this red, that will look so nice with deeper complexions. But yeah, absolutely love this. Can't wait to start using it. And then alongside the blush and the bronzer pans, we also got eyeshadows. So we've got 75 single eyeshadows, and then obviously we've got the book. So I arranged them all myself, and then I've also labelled them on the inside. I labelled them like that, so then it was just easier to do. But this is how I laid my palette out. So from the front page, we've got a lot of neutrals, and then we've got the pops of like green and pink down here, which I thought broke the neutralness up quite a bit. So you've got warm tones, then cool tones, and then going to green, and then pink, and then we've got a black here. So yeah, that's my favourite page, I think. And then we've got colours. Obviously we've got colours, we've got blues, going into purples, going to oranges, and then again some more pinks. And then we've got some yellows and a green. It upsets me that this bit isn't filled yet, but hopefully we will get there. So that is my eyeshadow. If you want to see me creating this, I did actually create a TikTok, which I'll link my TikTok down below. And yeah, it is very, very ASMR. And they've even got an extra single shade, which I might pop into a giveaway. And then I've got the Pro card. So with the Plouise Pro card, you actually get 30% off full size items which aren't including any of the new releases, as long as the course is running, which I think is really good. So yeah, so that is everything that I got in the Plouise Pro kit. That's everything, and I can't wait to put everything away now. Like, I've been so excited to put everything away and find a little home for everything and start using it all properly. And then yeah, so if there's any bases or paints that you see here that you want to swap with any, then please let me know, because like I said, I'm after the red paint, the silver paint, and yeah, that's it. So if you've got those paints and you want to swap with me, let me know down below, or message me on Instagram or something like that, and we can get that sorted. If not, I'm gonna have to buy them. But yeah, I don't want to open those paints because I've already got them. So yeah, and I've already got a few in my giveaway anyway. So. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions about the Plouise Pro course, then let me know down below and I'll certainly help you as much as I can. And yeah, hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!